Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Cuevas and today I'm going to explain how the routine activity theory help us to understand why crimes happen. According to this theory, crimes occurs when the three elements come together. The first one is a motivated offender, the second is a suitable target, and the last one is the absence of capable guardians. To make this clear, I will share a simple example that show how these three elements intersect in a real life situation. So I'm going to give a scenario. So a teenager Jake is walking home alone at night from a party through a quiet residential neighborhood. So naglakaw siya gikan sa party, naglakaw siya padunguli sa kuan kanang mingaw. Yeah. He distracted texting on his brand new iPhone. So na siya gigupta nga brand new iPhone. Nearby sa kaduulan, a young man named Eric recently released from juvenile detention. So si Eric kay mao po na paggawa sa gikan sa juvenile detention. And na-notice niya si Jake. The street is fairly lit and no one else is around. So mingaw kanang walay tao. Way sakyanan, no pedestrian lane, no surveillance cameras in sight. So wala tanan. Wala joy makuha nga evidence o kung sino tabo ngadto. Mao na si Eric nakakita siya opportunity and quickly approach Jake to snatch the phone and run off. So, ang motivated offender ato kay Eric, he predisposed to commit a crime due to his current situation. Mao nang wala siya kanang iyang situation karon kuno kay wala siya trabaho, prior criminal history, and lack of legitimate opportunities. So, nangita siya pamaagi nga makita siya sayon nga opportunities mao nabuhat niya. And the second one elements is suitable target. Ang suitable target kay mo ni ang one self iPhone ni Jake. It is valuable, visible, and easy to snatch. Jake himself is also considered as suitable target because he is young, distracted, and alone. So mo na bata pa man si Jake nga distracted nga nag-inusara man siya maong sayon na siya na snatch ni Juan Eric. In the last elements, the third kay lack of capable guardianship. No guardianship represent each night time, gabi ina nga nitabo. Then the area is walay tao, wala po'y kuan CCTV camera around nya. Mao to walay nakakita og unsa nitabo. So mao na to.